What happened? What just happened? Where did he go? Where is Rishabh? What was that noise? Oh, Shorty, he asked me to close my eyes. Can you please tell me where is Rishabh?
Stella, I love you. Om also loves you. That's why he's here. Rishabh loved you too, but he's dead now. I saw him open his eyes, look at you, and jump.
I didn't see that, Shorty. He was on the edge. He slipped. He just slipped.
You were all the time looking at Stella.
He wouldn't. He just wouldn't.
He was desperate. He was depressed and delirious.
You yourself said he's not gonna jump.
He wanted attention. He wanted her to jump, which would glorify his suicide. He wanted her to die.
ऋषु कल eclipse है.
What's so special about an eclipse, Stella? Just watch the fucking disc in the sky get behind the cloud.
It's not the same.
It's pathetic.
But why?
It's pathetic fucking disc.
You're such a pessimist, Rishu.
It's occasions of nothing, yeah. What's at the fucking eclipse, Stella? I'm trembling out here. I need stuff.
Stuff. Rishabh needs stuff. Rishu, तुम अंदर से गल रहे हो, and you need stuff.
Oh, please.
What? Oh, please.
Go read your book backwards.
Okay, fine. And what about you, Rishabh? Your life is backward pages.
Hmm. You know, Stella. If I could miss something after death, it would be this silence.
Death is in silence?
Silence.
What's in your mind, Rishu? यही एंगल मिला है क्या? And you don't have to do it to them.
हम दोनों के लिए Stella. You say ना, जो बिन कहे मरते हैं, प्रेत बनते हैं.
ओम मान गया क्या?
Saurabh bhi, gaze there. Home and Shorty.
They aren't.
How do you know?
I just know.
How do you know?
I know, Rishabh.
मैं ऋषभ होता ना, it would be more than a spoon fight at least. मिस्त्री का घर उड़ा के रख देता.
Chutiye, you're not Rishabh. You're a fucking geek. That's why he has a hot girlfriend, ना? पता नहीं उसी क्यों कूदना है तब भी.
Issues यार.
अरे यार, fuck.
क्या हुआ?
टॉर्च है ना पिच्छू. Dude, can you get a bit lower, please? यार, I didn't ask for a kiss in my ass. बस लाइट दिखा दे. ओम, किधर गया ये? ओम.
अभी चुतिया मामा है पीछे.
हाँ तो
मत देखना मुझे.
अच्छा ठीक है. He was one of those detectives or something, ना? Like in CIA.
No, just a cheap hire. 90s में उसने मंकी मैन पकड़ा था.
And that was a woman.
Right. She stole food.
अच्छा, let's fuck off. चल ठीक है. fucker failed 3 years in a row और अब अचानक मरना है उसको. पर स्टेला को लेके क्यों कर रहा है? बाप लगता है उसका.
I think he is troubled. He has issues home.
Could be that moron.
Hey, you don't know the lawn party incident, do you?
Your mom's lawn parties, they're scary. Looks like your mom is on a manhunt.
You left early that evening, right? In fact, I saw your dad shagging in my bathroom.
Bastard.
Oh, you know, the same evening Rishabh found his mom with Mistry, that Hindi teacher.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Dude, they were pals at first, yeah?
Yeah, and he used my stationery scale to hit him.
That's
Can you
why.
imagine?
Fuck yeah, he had poppins on his face next day.
Yeah.
Om, you didn't tell me about it.
Rishabh is my second best friend.
Then why are you telling me now?
You're my first.
Whatever.
Wake up! Run, rush, and put a little makeup. I discuss the fade away the shake up.
छुट्टियाँ खत्म.
Watch you leave
ओम,
the keys up on the table. Here you go,
सॉक्स और बैग ऊपर के ड्रॉर में रखे हैं, याद से ले लेना.
I discuss the fade away the shake up. You wanted to. Watch you leave the keys up on the table. You wanted to. Oh, I don't think you
ओम,
trust
बेटा, what is this?
What's what, Mom?
self-righteous suicide.
Have you been smoking?
It's shorties.
पर तेरी जेब में कैसे आई?
हम साथ में खेलते हैं ना, तो बैटिंग के वक्त वो सारा सामान मुझे दे देता है.
Show me your mouth. Come on, open your mouth. Let me
Mom,
see.
I have
There
to
is no
finish this,
safe
Mom.
company these days. Oh, Newton, चलो बाहर खेलो. Go. Be a good boy. Go. बेटा, स्वामी जी की फोटो अपने टेबल पे रखो. I have told you so many times. And don't lock your room.
Mom, please. You're going out anyway. Have fun.
You have grown up, haven't you? कल 11वीं क्लास का पहला दिन है. जल्दी सो जाना, ठीक है? बाय.
Bye, Mom. हाँ ऋषभ, जस्ट 15. क्लॉक मी. अबे यार, पैसे नहीं है. मॉम ने सारी सिगरेट्स पकड़ ली. आई कांट स्टील फ्रॉम हर, राइट? पता चला तो पूरी पॉकेट मनी बंद कर देगी. और हाँ, एक और बात. तू कूद रहा है ना? फाइनल?
Rishabh, this just doesn't make sense. This doesn't make sense at all. You know you can't deal with your mom's affair.
Stella, मेरे सिलेबस में हिंदी नहीं होगी. I'll miss it. I'll miss my teacher.
It's odd, because I never saw you attending Hindi class.
Stay here.
I'm coming.
Stay here. Missy sir, namaskar.
So why tonight?
Because I hate school.
Dude, you still haven't passed yet for this year.
What do you think? Why are we doing this? क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ये?
You're fucking rich. That's one reason you shouldn't die. I can't think of a bloody reason why one should take his girlfriend along. That's why I'm this side of the camera.
Rishabh, just give me a minute.
Yeah, whatever.
इतना stubborn क्यों? Are you trying to protect him?
No, why?
I feel you're manipulating, and I seriously don't like it.
Girls, nervous हो गए क्या?
बंदा डिप्रेस्ड है. वेट ऋषभ, मरना चाहता है. क्यों पट्टी पढ़ा रहा है उसे? एक बार लाइफ में पॉजिटिव नहीं हो सकता? बस एक बार. I don't need your help. And why the hell don't you pick up your calls?
अरे मॉम ने सेल फोन पकड़ लिया यार.
What the fuck? Seriously?
Hell yes, I told her it's yours. She'll come and speak to you.
You're such an asshole. I would have never done that to you.
What you doing? Dude, that lighter came from my pocket.
Oh yeah?
God, awesome man. How long have you been doing this?
I trust your hygiene. I would have taken out by Saturday. We'll shoot the suicide professionally today.
Dude, hang on, you put in my school pants too? Ah, no wonder you never get caught. You're not fucking Houdini. Dude, what if I get caught?
You don't even get checked. You or the girls. अब कहाँ जा रहा है यार? मरने वाले तेरा इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
I'm so fucking disappointed here, yaar. In the end, I carry fire behind my ass.
Try some cigarettes. It's in your lower right pocket.
Cigarettes? Cigarettes doing here? Cigarettes, fuck. Cigarettes, seriously? Disgusting, man.
You want some cookies my aunt sent?
Why should I fucking go with you?
Because I love Stella.
I'll have the cookies. कब से?
Third standard यार.
I don't understand.
But it's true, Rishabh. A change in the moon's position, and people here on Earth can go crazy to the extent of, killing themselves.
We're dying tonight anyway.
Shut up, Rishabh. So, your cliff project, Which cliff?
That one. The highest one.
That one?
Rishabh! Rishabh! Rishabh!
There's no point. It's 400 fucking feet.
Rishabh! 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 Rishabh!
He said it's a project.
Project?
He said it's a project at the cliff.
Project?
You will see.
कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट? गॉड, तुझे समझ में आया क्या? कुछ तो बोल शॉर्टी. कोई तो बताओ कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट?
He said he's lying. Lying to you both.
Stella, did you close your eyes? I mean, you didn't have a blindfold. Stella, Stella, just move away. Don't go any further, Stella. Stella, move away from that cliff. Stella.